back to my channel. Thank you to all my subbies for always joining me, and thank you to all of my new friends for clicking on that thumbnail because you thought it was cute. All right, guys, so yes, today I am showing you how I refresh an old twist out. But before I get into that, I want you to go ahead and hit that like button because I know you're gonna love this. Yes, you will. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I know you're gonna want to come back, and be sure to follow me on all of my other social media platforms so you can keep up with me and join me in all the fun. So this is what my old twist out looks like. It's been about 5 days, but I need to stretch this Billy a few more days because your girl got stuff to do and I don't have time to wash my hair. So I know you feel me. I know you've been in this situation, so I'm going to show you how I go through the process of at least making my twist out last a couple of more days or until I get to wash my hair. All right, guys, so I'm going to be using a few things. I am going to be using my DIY spray. You can use any kind, but I'm using this as an edge control, and then I'm using the Mielle twist out souffle. I use this twist out to twist my hair, so I'm just gonna put the product back in my hair. So basically, to refresh it, you need an actual cream or whatever, or some type of water-based product, which is my DIY, and then your cream or whatever it is that you use to twist your hair. All right, guys, so I am doing this. I'm just separating it a little bit. So I'm taking my DIY and I'm just spraying it on there. I don't want to get it soaking wet, right? I just want to get it enough to revive my hair because my hair is dry and it lacks moisture. So I just want to revive it a little bit, work it down, focusing on my ends and my ends a little bit. All right. So I'm taking a little bit of that twisted shout cream, just a little bit, not a whole lot. And I'm just working it on just to give it some moisture. Because I put product on my hair and I want to prevent a little bit of shrinkage, I'm gonna band it. So I'm gonna take this thing and I'm just gonna band it all the way down like that. So when it dries, it at least dries a little bit. You know, I won't lose all of my length. So this is what it looks like. And then I just go into the next section. Okay, guys, I'm down to the last part of my hair. Repeating some steps. Moisturizing hair with my DIY. I'm just working it down a little bit. Now with this, you might not get crazy definition because, you know, it's been 5 days. From your twist out, well, from my twist out, and I've plucked it out a generous amount, but I'll still get a lot of volume just to re-moisturize my hair. Taking that band again, and just banding my hair all the way down the length of my hair. I'm going to be taking a little bit of that, my favorite gel, and just refreshing my ends a little bit. I mean, my edges, not my ends. just want them to lay a little bit, not excessively, but just to be tamed. Then scarf. And this is what I do to refresh. So I just let this hang out for a few hours or overnight, whichever is, you know. Okay guys, this is a few hours later. My hair has been wrapped up and I've been just doing a little bit of chores around the house. So this is what it is looking like. So what I basically do is just take the bands down, really simple, and just unwrap. And just separate my hair. Real simple. And by doing the banding, it actually prevents the shrinkage from adding that water, the little bit of mist from the DIY, as well as the Souflee. If you're curious about the DIY spray, that is, I have a video of that. I'll link it, of course, in the description below, as well as somewhere up here for you guys if you're interested. So yeah, this is what the refreshed curls are looking like. Okay guys, this is my refreshed twist out. You know, the frizz is okay. I'm cool with it. This is just gonna last me a couple of more days before I tackle wash day. All right guys, if you like this video, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and be sure to check me out on my other videos. All right guys, until next time people, ciao.